Beautiful room, and if you look at the old locker room that we've been working out of, you'll see that we've gone from something we didn't really want to show recruits to something that we can really be proud of.
There's symbolism to it, and then there's just the physical benefits of it as well. And I think the symbolism is just the support we receive from the state, from our legislators, from the community, from our administration, that they believe in what it is we're doing as coaches, and not only the wins and the losses, but how we're developing our young players' lives.
I think it's good just for student retention, for student, retention and engagement and enrollment management away from athletics. I mean, you have something like this that's going to help other programs, so it's another reason to come to the University of Hawaii, and there are so many reasons, so many great programs here.